Imagine you're standing by a wide, peaceful river, but the ground beneath your feet is slowly slipping away. The banks crumble, the water turns muddy, and the land, your land, disappears bit by bit. Here's a question for you. What if the very weed that clogs up your rivers could actually save them? Today, we're talking about an incredible innovation from Vietnam, where engineers are turning one of the world's most invasive plants, the water hyacinth, into a natural shield against riverbank erosion. You might have seen this plant before, floating on rivers with its bright green leaves and purple flowers. Beautiful, yes, but also a troublemaker. It spreads fast, blocks waterways, and suffocates fish. Instead of fighting this problem plant, researchers from Can Tho University decided to work with it. They collected dried stalks of Eichhornia crassipes, that's the scientific name, and hand-wove them into mats, a bit like eco-friendly fabric blankets for the riverbank. These mats, called geotextiles, act like a soft armor for the soil. When waves hit the bank, the mats absorb some of that energy. When tides rise and fall, they keep the soil from washing away. And because they're made from plants, they eventually biodegrade naturally, leaving behind a healthier, more stable riverbank. What's even more amazing? These geotextiles are made using local materials and traditional weaving skills, meaning communities can produce them affordably, turning a weed into both a solution and an income source. This is what engineers call a nature-based solution, a way to use nature's own materials and processes to solve human problems. No concrete, no pollution, just smart circular design inspired by ecosystems themselves. So, from a once troublesome invader, the humble water hyacinth is becoming a green guardian of Vietnam's riverbanks, protecting homes, farms, and ecosystems. It's a beautiful example of how rethinking waste can lead to resilience. As we wrap up today's episode, here's something to ponder. If an unwanted weed can help fight erosion, what other overlooked materials might hold the key to protecting our planet? Thanks for listening to the R&D Lab. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Don't forget to follow for more stories where engineering meets sustainability and where small ideas grow into big change.